happy boy.
What's that, bird? Did it stop squeaking? Right here. Right here, and I'll see if I can fix it. Come here. No, it just stopped squeaking.
He quit playing with it. His favorite toy, everybody. A squeaky bird. That's a damn cat toy.
Give me that bird. Give me that bird. Give me that bird. He's pulling a gizmo.
Mm-hmm.
Get out of here right now.
Give me that bird.
Get the fuck out right now. Get out of here.
Who's a happy boy?
It's relaunch night at Park
There
Center.
you go, buddy.
In the window. Look at it.
Right.
And line cook Matt has not only made a
Oh, you want more attention while you're playing with your bird, huh?
but he's had a bad attitude as well.
I'm gonna get that bird.
Chill out with the drama.
He doesn't even like me put my foot near it.
Jorge has had enough.
Get the fuck out
You're
right
pretty
Look at that happy tail.
You know what? What's it say? Get out of here.
I love you, Zap.
All right, come on.
You're a
Let's
good
go.
boy.
Don't be serious like that.
Buddy,
There you
you're
go.
gonna...
Let's continue working, please.
This is my
You want to relax a little bit. Your head's getting a little warm.
An obstacle or speed bump, they're done. We have no more tolerance for that.
Hey, boy.
Zapper,
Hold on. Step up now.
take a break from playing with the toy for a little bit and relax some, alright?
Okay.
Before you get yourself overheated.
I think it's a good thing that Matt's gone. Now we can get down to business and not bicker.
Did you hear what he told you?
Awesome, you are rocking my
Wow.
Now with everyone pulling in the same direction,
Yeah, everybody, we taught him how to talk. He cussed out a cop. It was
Zippy,
funny.
What you doing, buddy?
Hey, Zap,
Ah,
get brother.
Your cat tree, huh? Get the bird. Lay down there with your bird. Lay down. Come here, lay down. Zapper.
We're done now, right? Yes, we still have a lot
Zapper,
of work to
come here.
do, but I definitely believe that we can build this restaurant again.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Lay down with your bird.
Now, thank you.
There you go.
Boy.
Yeah, you good boy.
You're a freak, let me tell you.
Look at those pretty glowing eyes.
You know what? I didn't even gonna step up to mom.
Bird.
You do realize there's lights on in here already. You don't need the fucking light on your phone on.
It turned itself on.
Love the food, let me tell you.
Well, then turn the light off.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, it won't let me.
Mine has a fucking thing on there that makes it where I can disable it.
It won't let me during the video.
Hands dirty. We have come
Yeah, well, you probably have to go to settings and settings.
start. Every day
Eh.
we demand the best out of
Anyways.
Richard. He demand the best out of
Now he's looking for that damn...
Yes, sir, definitely.
And
Thank you. Thank you. Nice.
Anyhow, Zap, there's no dot. You see red bird. You don't see red dot. There.
I'm gonna go to Zappy. Get to Zappy.
Okay, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the Zap and Bird video. Because it's going to be like this for about an hour or two. Just barking at this bird, so I don't want to waste all my battery on it. Even though it's cute. Bye, YouTube.